How to disable Run as Administrator in Windows 11, step by step. This tutorial shows you how to stop a specific program from always launching with admin rights. First, right-click on the program's shortcut or executable file. Tap on Properties. After that, click on the Compatibility tab. From there, look for the checkbox labeled Run this program as an administrator. At this point, uncheck that box. In the next step, if the option appears grayed out, click on Change Settings for all users first. Following this, uncheck the same box in that window and click OK. Once done, click Apply, then click OK to close the Properties window. From here, open the program again to confirm it launches without the UAC prompt. At this stage, if it still asks for admin rights, right-click the shortcut and check for a small shield icon next to Run as Administrator in the context menu. After this, that shield usually means the setting is controlled by the app itself rather than Windows, so check the app's own settings for an admin mode toggle. Once completed, restart your PC for the changes to fully take effect. Finally, open the program one last time to make sure it no longer requests elevated permissions. Keep in mind, some programs are built to always require administrator rights to function properly, so this setting may not apply to every app. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable Run as Administrator, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.